Hi. Oh, negative. That's not for babies. How do you like your watermelon? Is it good? It is? You dropped it. Oh, are you gonna eat it? Are you gonna eat your watermelon? You already ate a nice big chunk. Can you take a bite? Show me. Show me how you can take a bite. A bite. Where are you going? Is that watermelon? Watermelon? Can you take a bite? Whoa. Oh. How about some Cheerios? You gonna eat one? Show me how you can eat one. Oh. What's the matter, love? Oh, it's okay. They don't leave him. Oh, look, your brother's doing what I ask him when I'm not looking. Typical, typical, typical. How is that? Is that good? Does that make your teeth feel nice? Mmm, watermelon is fantastic. Yeah? You love watermelon? Oh, that's how you feel about watermelon? Hi. Are you so silly? Oh, hi. I was paying attention to your sister, sorry. Were you trying to get my attention? Oh, oh, is that a Cheerio? You're such a good little eater. Your sister never ate Cheerios by herself. You gonna eat another one? Good job. Nice chewing. You're so cute. You're feeding your neck some watermelon? Well, it is a separate entity. Go ahead. Take a bite. Take a bite. Oh, you're going to feed it to the doggy? Oh, that's not very nice. Very nice. Uh-oh, he just dropped it, Brutus. He just dropped it. Simmer down. You're eating some Cheerios? Oh, I'm sorry. Your teeth are hurt. Arya's sorry too. She feels for you, little bro. She feels for you. Alright. I think this is winding down. Oh, you trying to liven it back up? Trying to bring it back? Alright. Say bye-bye. Can you say bye-bye? Asher. Asher. Look at